Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter addition skill builders. The lessons we're going to cover today are adding 1, adding 2, adding 3, adding 4 and adding 5. So we're going to learn how do we add. The method of adding is exactly same, just the numbers are different. Here I'm on grade 1 math. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is adding 1. The first one is 9 plus 1. So how do we add 9 to 1? We already know how to add. We need to count them together. Adding 1 means you move on to, you just move to next number. So 9 plus 1 makes 10. The correct option is 10. Let's just start with the test questions. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 makes 7 plus 1 makes 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. 10 plus 1 makes 11. Option number 1 is the correct option. 9 plus 1 makes 10. It is option number 2 is the correct option. Plus 2 plus 1. Very good. 3. It is the correct option is 3. 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1. The correct option is 11. It is very good. 1 plus 0 makes 1 plus 0 makes 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. It is the correct option is option number 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. It is the correct option is 4. 6 plus 1 makes very good 7. It is 5 plus 1 makes 6. It is okay. You can complete the lesson by yourself today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The one is adding 2. Basically, the concept of addition is same, right? You just have to learn how to add. The numbers are different, but the concept is same. You just have to see how do we add a number. Now we're going to learn how do we add 2. So when you add 2, you just skip a number, right? 5 plus 2 makes 7. You just skipped 6. So adding 2 means you skip a number. Let's just start with the test questions. 5 plus 2. So the correct option is 7. You skipped 6 and the correct option is 7. 9 plus 2, which is the correct option. 9 plus 2 makes 11. The correct option is 10 plus 2, which is the correct option. 12 it is. 1 plus 2. 3 it is. The correct option is 3. Very good. 0 plus 2. The correct option is that is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. 2 plus 8, which is the correct option. Ten, it is the correct option is option number 2. 8 plus 2 makes 10. 6 plus 2, which is the correct option. That is 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. 7 plus 2, the correct option is 9. It is option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Now we're going to learn how do we add 3. So let's just start with the lesson. 3 plus 2. Why we tell we already know how to add 2 and how to add 1, right? And 3 is equal to 2 plus 1. So add 2 and then add 1 or simply add them together. That is 5. 3 plus 1, which is the correct option. 3 plus 1 makes 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. 10 plus 3, the correct option is that is 13. Option number 2 is the correct option. 5 plus 3, the correct option is That is 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. 2 plus 3 makes. That is 5. Option number 3 is the correct option. 3 plus 4 makes 7. It is the correct option is 7. 3 plus 8, which is the correct option. 11. It is the correct option is 11. 0 plus 3. That is 3. Whenever you are adding a number to 0, the number stays the same, whatever number it is. So 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 10, which is the correct option. That is 13. The correct option is option number 3. 10 plus 3 makes 13. 3 plus 3, which is the correct option. The correct option is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is 6. 3 plus 2, which is the correct option. 5 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, that is adding 4. So now we're going to learn how do we add 4. 4 plus 3, the correct option is 7. Let's just start with the test questions. 4 plus 3, the correct option is 7. It is, the correct option is 7. The next one is 4 plus 2, the correct option is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. 0 plus 4, that is, for any number you add to 0, the number stays the same. So that is 4. 4 plus 4 makes 8. The correct option is 8. Option number 3 is the 4 is the correct option. 9 plus 4, nine plus 4 makes 13. The correct option is option number 3, that is 13. 10 plus 4, which is the correct option. 14 it is. The correct option is 14. 2 plus 4. The correct option is that is 6. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. That is adding 5. So 5, 10 plus 10 makes 15 it is. Let's just start with the test questions. Six plus five. That is 11. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. 5 plus 5 makes that is 10. The correct option is option number 2. 3 plus 5. That is 8. The correct option is 8. 7 plus 5. The correct option is 12. The correct option is option number 1. 10 plus 5, which is the correct option? That is 15. The last option is the correct option. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 makes 13. The correct option is 13. 10 plus 5, which is the correct option? That is 15. Option number 2 is the correct option. 5 plus 2, which is the correct option? 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. 9 plus 5, the correct option is 14. It is the correct option is 14. 5 plus 0. That is 5. Option number 3 is the correct option. Four plus 5. The correct option is that is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. 5 plus 1. That is 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we are working on grade 1 math. The chapter we're working on is addition skill builders. The lessons we have covered today are adding 1, adding 2, adding 3, adding 4, and adding 5. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So if you have any question, you can please write down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any questions. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye.